Ants are one of the most annoying insects to have to deal with. Many people can tolerate their presence outdoors, but nobody wants to see ants inside their homes. A common reaction is to spray ants directly, but this merely puts a band-aid on the problem and can potentially lead to bigger infestations in the future. So in this video, we'll show you how to properly prepare your home to stop ants from coming inside. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about ants, click the icon in the top right corner or click the link in the description below. The first step to stopping ants from coming into our homes is to make sure we're actually dealing with ants. There are some homeowners who have misidentified termites as a potential ant problem, and as a result, they've employed improper pest control techniques and spent even more time and money for it. The quickest way to tell an ant from a termite is to observe the number of body segments in your targeted pest. Know that worker ants have 3 body segments while worker termites have 2. Also, if you've spotted winged ants or termites, these are referred to as alates in both insects. Know that ant alates have a longer pair of forewings and shorter hindwings, and termite alates have all equal length wings. The most likely reason ants are invading your home in the first place is because they are in search of food or water. Ants usually send a few scouts to determine if the area is safe and if there's any food. They use their incredible sense of smell not just to detect food, but to also communicate with each other. Once a scout finds a food source, it will leave a pheromone trail for other ants to follow. If you've found scouting ants in your home, it's important to stop any more from coming in. Once you've ensured you're dealing with ants, start your prevention outdoors by clearing excess foliage away from your structure. This includes trimming bushes, cutting down overgrown tree branches, cutting the grass, and making sure shrubbery does not creep or grow along your foundation. These different overgrowths in your lawn can give ants or even other insects some access to your structure, or even hiding spots when traveling. Other things you can do to keep ants away from your home is to rake and dispose of leaves, stack piles of firewood as far away from your structure as possible, and keep your outdoor trash bins sealed and kept away from your home. After you've taken care of your outdoor space, it's time to clean indoors. Remember, the #1 reason ants invade homes is to look for food. Take food out of the equation, and ants should have no reason to come in. Start by wiping down your kitchen counters, appliances, and trash cans to get rid of any grime, food residue, and crumbs. Be sure to just use water and to avoid using bleach or other strong cleaners. Don't forget to vacuum your floors as well. Store loose foods in airtight glass and plastic containers. This will prevent ants or any other pantry pests from invading and ruining your food. Once food inside the house has been cleaned up or sealed away, it's time to take care of any water sources. Be sure to dry your sinks and the bathtub, and to check your pipes for any leaks. Now that food and water are no longer an issue, it's time to use several products to ensure ants can't access your home even if they wanted to. Before using these products, we recommend you wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and be sure to keep people and pets away from treated areas until the application dries. First, you'll need to create a non-repellent barrier in your home with a product that's labeled to treat ants. It's important to use a non-repellent product so ants can't detect the chemical's presence as they pass through it. It would make sense to use a repelling product to keep ants away. However, when ants sense they are in danger, they can send a signal to the colony that will cause the queen to birth a new queen. This new queen is then sent to start an additional branch of the existing colony, thus increasing your ant problem overall. By using a non-repelling product, you'll kill ants without them even realizing it. For a non-repelling product, we recommend you use FiPro foaming aerosol. FiPro is a product made with the active ingredient fipronil. When applied, the product will foam and expand to cover the surfaces of tight cracks and crevices where ants may be traveling. Ants that come into contact with the product's residual will unknowingly pick up the product and spread it to other ants in the colony, creating a systemic killing effect. We recommend you apply FiPro where you've seen ants enter or exit your home. Possible locations can include the window frame, the door frame, or tight cracks or crevices in your walls. Once your ant activity has died down, you'll then want to use a combination of copper mesh and caulk to seal entry points inside and outside of your home to ensure no pests can get inside. Ants are a homeowner's nightmare when they start to invade homes, but there are ways to prevent infestations from getting out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop ants from coming inside your house, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.